Shield AI and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries successfully completed autonomous flight tests with the affordable rapid prototyping Mitsubishi Drone Initiative, known simply as ARMD. This initiative focuses on an open architecture that allows software to be swapped as easily as a battery, which is exactly how Shield AI's HiveMind software was integrated, tested, and flown in a record-breaking window of under 60 days. MHI handled the aircraft engineering and test logistics, while HiveMind supplied a reusable autonomy stack that could be trained, validated in simulation and hardware in the loop, and then dropped onto the ARMD airframes for live flights. ARMD itself is a compact fixed-wing platform, about 2.5 meters long with a 2.5 meter wingspan and a roughly 20-kilogram takeoff weight. In the first flight, the ARMD-01 used its AI brain to calculate waypoints in real time, pursuing a virtual target with the precision of a seasoned pilot. In the second flight, using a second ARMD-02, the HiveMind software was given aggressive authority. Instead of just following points, the AI generated direct control commands, executing high-G maneuvers and complex pursuit behaviors that pushed the airframe to its limits. The ARMD utilizes a sophisticated multi-sensor array, including high-definition visible light and infrared cameras, integrated with Shield AI's VDAR technology. In just 8 weeks, MHI and Shield AI moved from a blank slate to a coordinated autonomous hunt, marking a new era where the AI pilot is no longer science fiction, but a flight-proven reality.